Fruity Pebbles.
Crispy chicken. Oh. What'd you get?
I got two things. I got the sandwich and the chicken fries. Thank you so much.
That's fucked up.
What? Yeah, that looks pretty good. Pretty good?
Rating.
I mean, it's good. Oh, chicken just like each year.
So out of 10, what's the sandwich, man?
What do you think it is? It looks like a 7-3.
It's good, but you can kind of taste the roll. I give it like maybe on a 7.
Thank you.
I think I ordered before you're not.
Oh my god, that was cool. Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you. No way you're gonna get a pickle. What flavor did you get? The same, the cinnamon toast.
I've only had the waffle. The waffle's good. I think that's gonna be better than this.
On the waffles is like condensed milk. That's good chicken.
That waffle tastes like a fucking. It's like from. What's that place by the cookie place?
That is a good tender.
Dude, I feel like I just.
Fruity Pebbles.
Yeah, I need to go back here for a bit.
I think Fruity Pebbles might be better.
Yeah, I can barely taste it on the tongue.
I wish I had some syrup.
Yeah, some of it has like no condensed milk on it. 8.4, 8.4 overall. Lower?
They're like 7.
Anybody got waffles?
7-3.